Hello guys, today I will be showing you how to create a second Roblox account. If you find this video helpful, please do like and subscribe. So first, what you're going to do here is to launch your Roblox account. Now tap on the three dots at the bottom right corner, click this one, and then here you have to scroll down and look for switch account. Tap on switch account, and then you have to scroll down again and look for add account. Tap this one. Once you tap this add account right here, then it will give you two options. Select the second one, which is create a new account. Here, all you have to do is to add or enter the information needed, such as the birth date, username, and gender. So all you have to do is to add it right here, and as much as possible, you have to make sure that you are 13 years old plus for you to be able to use other features or important features here in your Roblox account. So after you have added your birthday, your username, and your gender, what you're going to do is tap on continue. So you have to wait for a couple of seconds and you will have your Roblox account. Now take note, you can verify the email or phone once you have your Roblox account. You can add a different email address from your main account if you want, or add a second phone number. It helps you recover the account later. Enable two-step verification, and then after that, you can do the switch between accounts. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.